All right, so let me be real with you. This isn't one of those videos promising to double your crypto or turn you into a millionaire overnight. I don't trade, I don't use complicated strategies, and I'm not glued to charts all day. But I do earn a little bit of crypto every day, and honestly, it's kind of effortless. It's called Binance Simple Earn. And if you already have crypto sitting in your Binance account, this might be one of the easiest things you can do to let it grow. So here's how I use it. Once you're inside Binance, head over to the Earn section. You can find it in the menu depending on whether you're using the app or desktop. Then tap on Simple Earn. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There are two types, flexible and locked. Flexible Earn means you can put in your crypto and take it out whenever you want. No fees, no penalties, no waiting. You just earn a little bit of interest every day, and you're free to redeem anytime. Locked Earn, on the other hand, gives you a slightly higher return, but your crypto is locked in for a few days or weeks. That might work for some people, but I usually stick with flexible because I like having access to my funds. I mostly use stablecoins, like USDT or FDUSD, because they don't bounce around in price like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You just subscribe, and from the next day, you start getting rewards added to your balance automatically. It's literally passive. Now look, this isn't going to make you rich. The returns are small but consistent. It's not exciting, but it's safe, and it takes zero effort once it's set up. And for me, that's better than just letting my crypto sit there doing nothing. So yeah, no fancy tricks, no hype. Just a small, steady way to earn on what I already own. I really hope that this helps you out. I'm just sharing what's working for me. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.